Hey, happy day to you. Speaking of transitions in this group, do you ever find yourself feeling a little bit groggy or fatigued when 2 or 3 o'clock comes rolling around? Or do you ever feel like, I just need a nap in the middle of the day? And hey, do not get me wrong, I have nothing against naps. But if you are in the middle of your day and you're feeling a lull and you just don't have the luxury to take a nap, or maybe you just want to feel more energy, a little more energy as the day goes on, maybe this tip that I'm going to share with you today can help you as much as it's helped me over the past several months. And I learned this from Brendan Burchard. I love him. Check him out. He's great. And since I have been using it, I have seen literally massive gains in the energy that I have throughout the day. I know, yahoo, right? Like, I need more energy. Anyways, another fun fact about this is that it only takes a couple minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, depending on how quick you can do it, and it is all about the transitions, so extra love for it there. So, here it is. The strategy is to practice and to master the little transitions throughout your day, that is, and all you have to do is set an intention between each of the tasks that you have to accomplish throughout the day. All right, so at the very least, maybe before important activities or events or meetings and conversations that you're going to be having, maybe extra special moment when there's something that's you're a little worried about or unsure how it's going to go. That could be so beneficial to set an intention in the transition prior to going into that activity or that conversation, and it could be the blessing that you're waiting for. So the intention is to pause, take a moment in the transition from one activity to another, and take a moment for you. Take a moment for you and the energy that you're searching for, or the focus that you're searching for, and to restore your energy and to be in the moment of transition and create more valuable and powerful space for you, and as you move from one task to another throughout the day. And all you have to do is close your eyes. Sounds like a nice nap already, right? Close your eyes for a minute or two, and it's really important to breathe, and we could talk about breathing all day because there's some great techniques, but try to breathe deep into your diaphragm and repeat the word release. Release. So breathing deeply into your diaphragm, repeat the word release, and as you do, command your body to listen, to release the tension, wherever the tension might be for you. Maybe it's in your head, and when that tension feels like it's a little bit gone, or you've given it some care, and then you can move on to the next part of the body. Maybe it's in the shoulders, a lot of tension in the shoulders, or in your back, or in your legs, and breathe deeply and simply say release, and visualize while you're doing that. Visualizing the tension goes away, and do that for about a minute, and then you would go on to the next part of intention and simply ask yourself some questions like, what do I want to feel and achieve in the next activity? Or what do I want to accomplish? Or how do I want to be more intentional about the next conversation or activity that I'm going into? Or what energy do I want to feel when I am present in the next task? So set an intention for how you want to feel and how you want to show up, whatever the next thing is, wherever it is, before conversing with your family or your friends or your clients, before doing a workout or eating. Just 2 minutes of your day can give you a lot more energy. So you deserve that. You deserve to take time to reset, and doing this short activity, even just a couple minutes, couple times a day throughout your day, even if it's just once a day until you to feel your way through it, will almost guarantee you to feel a little more alive, a little more energy inside you, and more in tune with the way that you want to feel and in the things that you want to have going on throughout your day, and how you want to show up in those interactions with yourself and with others, and in doing and creating whatever it is you're creating. So I know a lot of this stuff can be like woo-woo, or like taking time feels like you don't have it. But if you're struggling with something, maybe trying something you've never tried before could be the answer for you. So either way, I hope this helps, and it's nice to be here talking about it. So let me know what you think. Try it. Cheerio.